Hi, I'm Michael Energy from TryPerDiem.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up referrals on the Per Diem merchant dashboard. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is go to the left side menu and expand marketing. Within marketing, you would find the rewards tab. Click on it and it will take you to the rewards page. Now there are several sections here, but for the referrals, we will expand the accordion for referral. And pretty much what the referral does is that it allows you to award points when a user successfully refers a friend. And additionally, points may be granted to the referee upon downloading the app and completing the checkout process. So when the person who is referred downloads the app and makes a purchase, they will get a certain number of points. So you have the options here as well to decide whether you want to give points to the referrer only, or you want to give to the referee only, or you want to give to both of them. On the first one, you can set the number of points that you want to give to the referrer, and you can also set the number of points that you want to give to the referee on the second option. All you have to do here is just click on save, and that is how you set up referral on the Per Diem merchant dashboard. Thank you.